शक्ति बाबा का हुआ है पर्दाफाश। इन्होंने लूटा है कईयों को।
Yet another fraudulent Baba in Hyderabad now. He's been arrested for.
Thank God you got out of it at the right time. Psychological manipulation is a type of social influence that aims to change the behavior or perception of others through indirect, deceptive, or underhanded tactics.
Shakti Baba, should I try? Maybe it can help.
Radhika chooses to go to the Baba, but is in doubt. Hey, is it your first time here? Are you from around here?
Yeah, I just live few buildings away.
So you're from Mumbai itself?
No, I am from Rajasthan. I'm here for my studies and job.
Oh, that's great. Where from Rajasthan?
I live near Jaisalmer. And you?
Oh, I'm from Rajasthan too. Kishan Ghat, you know? It's just 15 kilometers away from Jaisalmer. I shifted to Bombay a few years back for jobs and all. But then it was a complete downfall in my life. It was a very strange period where all my problems started from there. It was a very dark period in my life. I couldn't ask my parents for help because they had already done too much for me, and then I couldn't ask them because it would feel like I was disappointed. That's when I came to know Babaji. He helped me through a lot of it. He helped me get up on my own feet and move on with life with a completely positive perspective towards life. You should totally go and meet Babaji. He'll definitely help you with whatever problem you're facing in your life right now.
No, I feel you. Like I feel that nothing around me is working out. Like my whole world is just crushing. Whatever I want, I'm getting the totally opposite results. You know.
I understand.
Like when you said your problem, like I have kind of hope that this decision won't go waste.
No, it won't. I assure you, Babaji will help you find a solution real soon and you will be get out of whatever problem you have. You're looking really troubled. I think you should go see Babaji right now.
Yeah. It was nice meeting you.
Yeah, it was nice meeting you. See you around. Bandwagon effect. Manipulator confronts the victim into submission by claiming, whether true or false, that many people already have done something and the victim should as well.
बाबा
दुख, अंधकार, कठिनाइयाँ, कितनी सारी चीज़ों से गुजर रहे हो तुम। पढ़ाई की समस्या, पैसों की समस्या, ठीक जगह हो। और बताओ।
Baba, you're correct. Padhai, job, family, everything is just.
Don't worry. Tell me more about you and your family. What's happening? You see this Rudraksh mala? Every Rudraksh is taken from each and every temple of Triambakeshwar. Okay? This is a really blessed one. So if you wear it, every problem will come to an end. You'll really find happiness in your life. You'll be less stressed. Okay? You know what I'm telling you? I do. इस माला को हमेशा सोमवार और गुरुवार दूध में नहला के मंदिर में रख देना। इससे माला की शुद्धि होगी और तुम्हारे जीवन में काफ़ी परिवर्तन आएगा। ठीक है? और एक चीज़ का ध्यान ज़रूर रखना कि तुम हमेशा इसे अपने दाएं से सारे पुण्य काम करो।
धन्यवाद।
जी करो।
Positive reinforcement includes praise, superficial charm, superficial sympathy, gives attention, facial expressions such as forced laughs and smiles. Negative reinforcement. It involves removing one from a negative situation as a reward.
Namaste, Baba. Jeete raho, jeete raho, jeete raho. Oh, tell me, what's troubling you?
Baba, I tried everything the way you told me, but even this is not working, Baba.
Are you sure you followed every step precisely?
Yes, I'm pretty sure I followed every single step precisely. Oh my god, I think I held it in the wrong hand.
See, I told you, it's not the Rudraksh Mala's fault. My every upay always works, okay? The mala that you are wearing is the one that was blessed to me, but I gave it to you. I treasured it the most. And now you are doubting me? Me? Go, if you really have to doubt me.
No, Baba,
I'm really very disappointed in you.
Baba, I trust you,
just
Baba.
leave me.
I trust. Baba, listen, Baba.
मंडे की फंडिंग मिली 10,000 रुपीज.
उन्होंने लास्ट मोमेंट में ही कैंसिल कर दिया था.
पर अभी फिर हम उनके ही बेनिफिट के लिए करने वाले थे ना. क्या होगा फिर अभी? कहाँ से मिलेंगे हमें पैसे?
Baba, if I may, I would like to donate for your event.
No, it's fine.
I didn't know, Baba. I can. It will make me very happy, Baba, if I donate, especially for your event.
No,
Baba.
I don't want you to take stress anymore.
Baba,
Let it be.
consider
It's
it.
okay. It's
No,
okay.
Baba, it will really make me happy.
It will?
Yeah, yes, especially if it's your event.
Okay, fine then. Donate as much as you want, okay?
Yeah, Baba, yeah.
It's okay, right?
Yeah, don't worry, Baba. Yeah, I can.
I thought of something for you. So, you see this ring? It is made up of a stone which was like passed down from generations to generations, and like it's really very costly. But I luckily made it into a ring. So it will cost you like around 30,000. And if you won't be able to afford it, you won't be able to get out of the problems you are facing. Like it will take really very long time.
No, Baba, I'll take the ring. Just give me few days to arrange money for it, and I'll definitely take it, and I'll follow every single step.
Okay. Once you manage the money, just tell.
Traumatic one trial learning. Using intimidating behavior to establish dominance or superiority. Even one incident of such behavior can condition or train victims to avoid upsetting, confronting, or contradicting the manipulator. Selective attention. Manipulator refuses to pay attention to anything that may distract from the agenda.
But I need it now. But you know what? Okay, you know what? Bye. I'll call you later. Okay, bye. Yeah, bye.
Radhika, are you okay? You seem really tensed nowadays.
There is like money problem. I need money for this thing and the Baba's place.
The Baba again? I think you've borrowed enough money from your parents and from me for the Baba thing for over a week now. I don't think your parents should help you
I'll return.
anymore.
Why are you so worried?
It's not about returning, it's about where you are investing it. Is it like an investment or you're just giving it to the Baba?
It's not just investment. I'm donating. You're helping people now who need.
Whom are you helping?
Whoever needs money.
Do you know where the money exactly goes?
It's going in Baba's hand, so obviously it will be going in good place.
Are you sure you're keeping a record of where it's going? I mean I don't trust that Baba you're going to.
You don't trust. Because you haven't met
It
him.
doesn't seem authentic. There is something wrong with that Baba. Why is he always asking for money? despite knowing that you don't have a proper job right now, so much money for you to borrow from other parents, from me, from other friends of yours.
See, I am working under him now.
Are you earning from him?
That's the point. I'm giving money and I'm being happy.
That is not how jobs work.
You know what? You know what? Let's just end this conversation.
That is not how
No,
jobs
let's just
work.
end. You won't understand. You
Look
won't
at
understand.
you, Radhika.
Leave
You're so stressed.
Desire to please, addiction to earning the approval and acceptance of others, lack of assertiveness, low self reliance.
Hello, Damini. Hi, I know it's very rare of me to call you, but it's about Radhika. No, she's not alright. She's not fine. She's been acting really weird lately, and she's not paying attention to her studies. Neither is she regular to her job. Yeah, there's this Baba that she goes to. It will be really helpful if you come and talk to her, please. Yeah, thank you.
Damini! Oh my god! Hi! How are you? What are you doing here?
Oh, I was just going around, so I just thought I would come and meet you. Your roommate told me you were here.
Oh. Are you here to attend any session?
No, Oh my god, why didn't you contact me about it? You know what? I'm going to take you to meet Baba. I know Baba very nicely. He's really, really nice. You have to meet Baba. No. He helped me so much. He's really, really good. You have to. I'm coming. See, I have to go, but you wait around here, okay? I will come and find you. You wait here. I'll take you to Baba, okay? I'll be there. You'll be here then.
है मैंने बोलने क्या ना भाई को भिजवाया है। हाँ हाँ ठीक है काटो।
आया सर 2 मिनट में।
Oh, Damini. Oh, let's go. I got the chance to meet Baba. Let's go.
ठीक है अभी रखता हूँ बाद में रखता हूँ।
वो फाइल कहाँ है जिसमें सारे बैंक डिटेल्स थे?
यहीं पे ही होगा, मैं लेके आया था।
क्यों नहीं मिल रहा मुझे फिर? ढूंढो। कहाँ है?
मैं लाया था लेकिन
इधर आना था।
नहीं बाबा मैं दिख क्या तो
साइड हो। जीते रहो। कैसी हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ बाबा। आप कैसे बाबा?
बाबा ये मेरी दोस्त है।
मुझसे मिलने आई बाबा। आपका सेशन अटेंड कर रही थी बाबा।
जीते रहो बेटा, जीते रहो।
हाँ
राधिका, मुझे तुमसे कुछ अकेले में बात करनी है। हाँ बाबा।
मैं आपको अपना आसन दिखा दूँ सामने।
क्या हुआ? I think that friend of yours, she has a lot of negative energy around her. Okay? She's like the hindrance to your success, and like all that you have been suffering through, the negative energy.
So what should I do, Baba?
Stop talking to her.
Stop talking.
Yes, break your friendship. Do whatever you can. Just don't talk to her. I think she's really bad.
I'll do that, Baba.
She'll have a bad effect on you. Okay?
Now
You trust me, right?
Yes, Baba. I trust you, Baba. There's no.
Bless you.
Covert intimidation. Manipulator putting the victim onto the defenses by using subtle and indirect threats. Seduction. Manipulator uses charm and praise in order to get the victim to lower their defenses and give their trust and loyalty to the manipulator. They will also offer help with the intent to gain trust.
Why would Baba say such things about Kamini like that?
Naive. Victim finds it hard to accept the idea that some people are cunning and ruthless, or is in denial that they are being victimized. Low self confidence. Victim is self doubting and lacking in confidence.
Radhika. Oh, you are still here? Yeah. I think you should go. It's pretty late. Yeah. But no, I really think you should go. It's really late. But I really need to show you. No, I think you should go. Just look at this. Look at what I have found. This. Look at this. This from Anath Ashram, the child trafficking case, and then this Bhindi Bazaar, prostitution area, and then this Masuli Bhai, the one in Shankar case encounter. Why is he paying these people? Why is he getting money from them? This look at his bank statements. I got this here.
I don't believe whatever you're saying right now.
Your Baba is a dhongi.
See, don't call him a dhongi when you don't know who he is.
Why?
Why? I am happy, can't you see? He understands me. I am finally happy because I'm under his wing.
Are you really happy?
Do you understand me? He understood me.
But Sam was telling me.
See, that's the problem. You and Sam are trying to show him in such a bad picture. That, I don't know what to see. You all don't want to see me happy.
Radhika, this is not you.
But I am happy. You know what? Just go away. Just go away.
Radhika.
Please.
Radhika,
just go
listen to
away.
me. Radhika, listen to me.
Now what?
When was the last time you spoke to your parents? Okay, leave that. When was the last time you spoke to me?
See, I was busy.
Busy with what? This? Radhika, this much dependency on some person is not good. And that too on a dhongi Baba. Okay. See. Why don't we try a therapist?
Therapist? I'm mad. Crazy.
No, I don't think that. Okay, I just think we should seek for an healthier alternative. Okay? I did not get these fruits from out of nowhere. Okay, let's try this. Just remove one thing he has given you. Okay, let's try to cut him off. And just visit the therapist. Then you will realize how right we are. And what we want is just the good for you.
Just 1 month.
Yes, just 1 month. Please, just 1 month.
Hello, I'm clinical psychologist Dr. Kriti Sharma. How are you?
I'm fine.
Don't worry, these kind of manipulative things happens in your day-to-day life. Up and downs, downfall, betrayal from the person who is very close to you happens, and it is not the very serious problem. It is mostly seen in the relations nowadays, the psychological manipulations. So as from now, I advise you to keep distance from that Baba and have a good relations with your family, friends, and relatives. And let's talk further in detail in next session. Till then, take care.
Thank you, doctor.
See, you are very happy and confident enough, and improved very much. So this is your accepted, and you can contact me whenever you want, and till then, thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, doctor, for your help.
भारत के जाने माने सर्वश्रेष्ठ बाबा खानदान वाली राधिका
Yes. Look at this. You want to go to this Baba or?